Look, I know what you're wondering. How did this raw, rebellious sound from a little island end up running pop charts, hip hop collabs, and global stages? How did dancehall move from the streets of Kingston to setting trends worldwide?
You know what I mean? We work hard over the years. We built a huge catalog. So, you know what I mean? The music speaks for itself as it relates to dancehall.
Watch the pre. It's the 80s, right? There's a hot new sound bubbling up on the Jamaican streets. Reggae's rebellious little brother, dancehall, is starting to find its own identity.
Anywhere she go, people love her in the road. Easy to worship, time on she to worship. Ain't that the hell? In the virgin girl, ain't that the hell? In the virgin girl dance. How I do them, them. How I do them, them. Hey, me the tune, me the tune, me the do. Hey, me the tune, me the tune, me the do.
Led by artists like Yellowman, Barrington Levy, and Josie Wales, the genre steps away from the roots reggae message and leans more into real life, street stories, party vibes, and just straight up slackness. Then we reach the 1990s, right? Hip-hop is becoming this global powerhouse, and dancehall is right there learning from hip-hop and influencing it right back. By 1992, Shabba Ranks is getting regular play on MTV and in hip-hop clubs all around the world. He's collaborating with KRS-One, Maxi Priest, Johnny Gill. In 1993, Shabba becomes the first dancehall artist to win a Grammy, and then he follows it up with another win in 1994. Meanwhile, Patra is popping up on BET and MTV with Yo Yo.
My property is my property.
She's on a romantic call. She talking to her baby down at the yard. Even Tupac makes a cameo in the video, right? Super Cat is linking up with Mary J. Blige and Puff Daddy, and even introduces an up-and-coming rapper by the name of Notorious B.I.G., right? Beanie Man is collaborating with Maya and the Neptunes, and movies like Belly and Bad Boys is featuring heavy doses of reggae and dancehall energy. Dancehall is a big deal.
You're looking at the toughest rascal Jamaican in the United States of America. I run, I kill for nothing, and I make lots of money. I deal with the business. Don't bring that shit to me again. You hear me?
I'm saying, though, it wasn't like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get on, man.
Going for lock this motherfucker down.
Damn right. We do shit. Gotta eat.
So by the 90s, dancehall had kicked the doors wide open, right? Shabba is winning back-to-back Grammys. Patra and Super Cat is popping up on MTV. Tupac is making cameos in dancehall videos. The world is watching, right? The 2000s is when dancehall take full control. And you know who leading the charge? A uptown youth who had MTV, BET, and every basement party on lock. In's coming the one called Sean Paul.
Certified quality.
Who goes on an unprecedented and arguably unexpected global run. He drops Gimme the Light, Get Busy, and Temperature. He collaborates with Beyoncé, Busta Rhymes, Keisha Cole, and proves that dancehall can coexist with hip-hop and thrive together.
Stop banging on the damn furnace. You hear me now? This is the last time.
Yep, good to go.
Elephant Man, already a Caribbean favorite for his wild performances and high energy dancing tracks, jumps into collabs with like Twista and Lil Jon and the East Side Boys, and he brings the dancehall energy to the crunk era. And then the pop stars get involved. Rihanna taps into the Ponder Replay vibe and triples down on it. She drops Man Down, she drops Rude Boy, she drops Work, all of which are undeniably infused with dancehall DNA. Drake starts collaborating with Popcorn. He bigs up Vybz Kartel and give dancehall its flowers every chance he gets. Artists like Justin Bieber, Chris Brown, Omarion start sampling and borrowing from dancehall culture. And we haven't even spoken about everybody who used the Sister Nancy Bam Bam sample. Right? And just when you thought dancehall had peaked, a new wave of voices start push the genre forward again. Shenseea step in with a bold, sexy, confident vibes and starts collabing with Kanye and Megan Thee Stallion, and then Skilly Bang bring this raw street energy with Crocodile Teeth, gets co-signed, and a remix from Nicki Minaj. Massacre delivering lyrics and substance, blending deep storytelling and trap-inspired rhythms, and Popcorn representing unruly, working with Drake, Burna Boy, tapping into the UK scene. The new school artists proving that dancehall isn't just surviving, it's shifting the culture again. And it's a revolutionary sound that continues to inspire innovation, move bodies, and mash up genres.
It was a time, man, and so every single thing about dancehall was unique. It was special. It was one-upmanship, like sound systems. The clarity and the quality of sound systems at that time. It was a science. You had dub music, you had steppers music, you have reggae still a go on. It was a moment that I understand why people love that moment more than any other moment in dancehall. I understand why so much music spawned
from that.
So much like reggaeton, dubstep, garage music. Why so much different things were birthed from that era.
Perfect question. Because like, so me 29, me miss that era there, but clearly my parents' band met me in that era there.
Let me know what you think in the comments below and how you're feeling about the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. More vibes coming soon. Seen? Boom, 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 bang, bang. We're out.